video, we are going to learn how to compare rational numbers.
Let us see how to compare two rational numbers. To understand the comparison of two rational numbers, let us first look at these points. First point, every positive rational number is greater than 0 and is greater than every negative rational number. To understand this point, let us see few examples. 9 by 4 is a positive rational number and is greater than 0. And 5 by 7, which is a positive rational number, it is greater than minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 is a negative rational number. So, positive rational number is greater than negative rational number. Second point, every negative rational number is less than 0 and is less than every positive rational number. Let us understand this point with few examples. Minus 3 by 4, which is a negative rational number, it is less than 0. And minus 4 by 7, which is a negative rational number, it is less than 3 by 5, which is a positive rational number. Point 3. 0 is greater than every negative rational number and is smaller than every positive rational number. Let's understand this with few examples. 0 is greater than negative rational number minus 3 by 20 and 0 is less than 3 by 20, which is a positive rational number. Let us now look at few questions. Compare minus 7 by 2 and 5 by 2. In this question, minus 7 by 2 is a negative rational number and 5 by 2 is a positive rational number. Since a negative rational number is always less than 0 and less than every positive rational number, therefore minus 7 by 2 is less than 5 by 2. Let's now compare minus 3 and 2 3 by 4. In minus 3 and 2 3 by 4, let's convert 2 3 by 4 into improper fraction. So this implies that minus 3 and 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 4. Now let's compare minus 3 and 11 by 4. In minus 3 and 11 by 4, minus 3 is a negative rational number and 2 3 by 4 or 11 by 4 is a positive rational number. Since a negative rational number is always less than 0 and less than every positive rational number, therefore minus 3 is less than 2 3 by 4. Let us now compare minus 1 1 by 2 and 0. That is, we need to compare minus 3 by 2 and 0. In minus 3 by 2 and 0, minus 3 by 2 is a negative rational number. Since 0 is greater than every negative rational number, therefore 0 is greater than minus 3 by 2, which implies that 0 is greater than minus 1 by 2. Next, let us compare 0 and 3 by 4. In 0 and 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is a positive rational number. Since 0 is smaller than every positive rational number, therefore 0 is less than 3 by 4. Let us look at the second question. Arrange the given rational numbers in ascending order. 7 by 10, minus 11 by minus 30 and 5 by minus 15. In this question, first we will express each given rational number with a positive denominator. So, this will be equal to 7 by 10. So, here in 7 by 10, the denominator is positive. In minus 11 by minus 30, both numerator and denominator is having same sign. So, it is a positive rational number. We can write it as 11 by 30. And 5 by minus 15. Here, numerator and denominator is having opposite signs. So, it is a negative rational number. We can write this as minus 5 by 15. Now, you can see that in all the three rational numbers, the denominator is positive. Next, we need to make the denominators of these rational numbers the same. For this, we will find the LCM of the denominators. That is, we will find the LCM of 10, 30 and 15. Let's find the LCM of 10, 30 and 15. Since 10 and 30 are even numbers, so let's divide it by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 15 is 30. Since 15 is not divisible by 2, we will write as it is. Now we cannot divide by 2 since the numbers are not even. So the next prime number that we are going to choose here will be 3. Since 5 is not divisible by 3, we will write as it is. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now we are going to choose 5 as the prime factor and let's divide it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, LCM of 10, 30 and 15 is equal to multiplying these factors. 2 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Therefore, LCM is equal to 30. Now, let's make all the denominators equal to 30. So, 10 we will multiply with 3. The same number we will multiply even with the numerator. In the second rational number, we have 30 in the denominator. So, we will multiply with 1 and even the numerator with 1. And in the third rational number, we have the denominator as 15. 15 times 2 is 30. The same 2 we will multiply even with the numerator. Now let's multiply and find all the rational numbers. 7 times 3 is 21 by 10 times 3 is 30. 11 times 1 is 11 by 30 times 1 is 30. And Minus 5 times 2 is minus 10 by 15 times 2 is 30. Now we have got all the denominators same. For the same denominator, the rational number with greater numerator is greater and the rational number with smaller numerator is smaller. Now let's arrange these rational numbers in ascending order. That is from small to big. Let's first compare the numerators of these rational numbers. Since minus 10 is less than 11 is less than 21, therefore minus 10 by 30 is less than 11 by 30 is less than 21 by 30. This implies that minus 10 by 30 is equivalent to 5 by minus 15. So we can write 5 by minus 15 here, which is less than 11 by 30 is equivalent to minus 11 by minus 30. So we can write here minus 11 by minus 30. This is less than, and 21 by 30 is equivalent to 7 by 10. So we can write here 7 by 10. In this way, the given three rational numbers are arranged in ascending order. Next question. Arrange the given rational numbers in descending order. 3 by minus 10, minus 13 by 30 and 8 by minus 20. In this question, first we will express each given rational number with a positive denominator. So these rational numbers will be equal to 3 by minus 10 can be written as minus 3 by 10 with positive denominator, comma, minus 13 by 30. The denominator is already positive here, and 8 by minus 20 can be written as minus 8 by 20. In this, 20, which is the denominator, is positive. Next, to make the denominators of these rational numbers the same, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. Let us now find the LCM of 10, 30 and 20. All these three numbers are even, so we can divide by 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 15 is 30, 2 times 10 is 20. Again we can divide it by 2 since 10 is divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so we'll write as it is. 15 also is not divisible by 2, we'll write as it is. 2 5s are 10. Next, we cannot divide it by 2, so the next prime factor we are going to choose here will be 3, since 15 is divisible by 3. So we cannot divide 5 by 3, so we write as it is. 3 5s are 15, 5 we write as it is. Next we are going to choose the prime factor as 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, LCM of 10, 30 and 20 is equal to multiplying these factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. Therefore, LCM is 60. Now let's multiply the denominators with a suitable number to make the denominators equal to 60. 10 times 6 is 60. We will multiply 6 with the numerator as well. 30 times 2 is 60. We will multiply even with the numerator. 20 times 3 is 60. We will multiply even with the numerator. Now this expression will be equal to minus 3 times 6 is minus 18 by 10 times 6 is 60. Minus 13 times 2 is minus 26 by 30 times 2 is 60. And minus 8 times 3 is
minus
24 by 20 times 3 is 60. Now we have got the same denominators. For the same denominator, the rational number with greater numerator is greater and the rational number with smaller numerator is smaller. Since we need to arrange these rational numbers in descending order, that is big to small. Let's compare the numerators. Since minus 18 is greater than minus 24 is greater than minus 26, therefore minus 18 by 60 is greater than minus 24 by 60 is greater than minus 26 by 60. This implies that minus 18 by 60 is equivalent to 3 by minus 10. So therefore we can write here 3 by minus 10. This is greater than minus 24 by 60 is equivalent to 8 by minus 20. So we'll write here 8 by minus 20. This is greater than minus 26 by 60 is equivalent to minus 13 by 30. So we can write here minus 13 by 30. So in this way we have arranged the given rational numbers in descending order.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.